Okay, now it's time to put the base that we made, the shaft that we made before on the smaller of the two bases. I put it on the base, kind of centered it there, and laid down 2 pieces of tape here so that I know exactly where to put this back after we take it off. We've marked with the pencil just inside the tape about 1/8 of an inch. I made 2 little pencil marks. I took my small drill and drilled a hole there and a little hole there. That's so we can see from the bottom where our screws are going to go in. Next, I take the shaft, set it on there, reference to the tape, and I've placed 2 small nails at an angle, and holding the shaft down, I'm just going to pop them in and fool around with it a little bit to hold this base still. That's going to hold the shaft onto the base.